Hello friends, good morning, and today we are going to start a new course, that is the variable cost. What do you mean by variable cost? So before that, what type of course we have completed? I'm discussing this all with you. First one, yesterday we have completed the topic which has the relative to the fixed cost. And before that I have started types of the cost. In that first course I have started the short term and long term. We can divide this cost in two parts. Before that, which we have completed, that is the concept. That is the concept. Now we are discussing it is a type. You remember this thing, otherwise maybe any confusion in your mind and you will not write it. So you remember this thing which we have completed in the past, that has the concept like real cost, opportunity cost, and monetary cost. These all three are concept of the cost. And which we are discussing now, these are types of cost. These costs are divided according to time. These are two, short term and long term. In the short term, we have complete that charts. According to that, you also can write and learn. So, if a question is how many types of the cost, then don't write real cost and opportunity cost. You have to write the these costs are two types: short-run production cost, long-run production cost. Then short-run production cost has again two types: fixed cost, variable cost. And then after again there are two types: average fixed cost and average variable cost. So we have to write this all. Then only we can complete our answer. Otherwise, if we are going to write real cost, monetary cost, opportunity cost, then your answer will totally wrong. Remember this main thing. Okay. Classification of production cost, two types: short run, long run production cost. Then again two types. Short run has two types because of, do you know, in the long run all factors are variable. So any factor can be uh, variable which has fixed. So for long time no any fixed cost. All factors are variable. Due to that reason, that variable cost, that cost which has variable, which has sorry fixed, that also variable in the long term period. So long term period cost we cannot divide into two parts in the fixed cost and variable cost. But in short time period, some factors are fixed and some factors are variable. Due to that reason only, in the short term period, there are two types: fixed cost and variable. And again it has two types: fixed cost, you can say total fixed cost, and variable cost. Total fixed cost and total variable cost. Total fixed cost has again two types: total fixed cost and total average cost. Okay. Variable cost has two types. First one is the total variable cost. Second one is total, sorry, average fixed cost, average variable cost. This type of two types you can write. If you are going to draw the chart, that time also you can write fixed cost has two types: total fixed cost, total variable cost. Any confusion? Okay, I clear again. Total fixed, remember this thing. Cost are two types. These types are short run cost and long run cost. Clear this thing? Okay. Short run production cost, that means what? In a short time period, some factors are variable, some factors are fixed. Clear this thing also. And in the long term period, all production factors are variable because of producer have sufficient time period. And due to that reason, all production factors are variable. Clear this thing? So for long run, we have no fixed cost, no variable cost, only this all factors are variable, so we can write it. All factors are variable, so only long run production cost. Clear this thing? Now next one is the short run production cost. What do you mean by the short run production cost? Short run production cost, that means in the short time period, whenever producer produce any production, that time have this two type of the production factors. First one is the fixed factors, second one is variable factors. Fixed factors are those factors which cannot be changed according to the change the quantity of the production. Okay, and which cannot be changed because of like a plant of the factory. Okay. If a plant of the factory, if a producer wants to expand, for that producer have a large amount of the capital. Second thing, the producer have a requirement of this all things which are essential for this. But in the short time period, this all cannot be changed, and due to that reason, this all are fixed. Okay. Another one thing, some factors which are fixed, like permanent labors and there's all type of fixed machineries, very heavy machineries and plants. These all are fixed. Okay. And some factors are variable. Some factors are variable, that means according to the quantity of a commodity, these factors can be changed. Okay, like raw materials. According to the increase the quantity of the commodity, raw material also increase. Second one, there's all production factors also will be changed. And this production factors which can be changed, not all. Okay, remember this thing. Like raw material, some labors which can be replaced, which can be decreased. This type of factors can be changed. So, in the short-term period, fixed cost and variable cost is there. Expenditure which done for the fixed factor, that is the fixed cost, and expenditure which is done for the variable factor, that is the variable cost. I will explain in the detail this variable cost, but only just general I explaining this type of sentence. So you can get it why in the short term period, in the long term period, no variable cost, no fixed cost. But in the short term, why fixed cost and variable cost is this? Because of some factors are fixed and some factors are variable. Due to the reason, in the short term, fixed cost and variable cost is here. Clear this thing now? Okay. Come to the next point. I am going to explain this word, the short term production cost is two types, fixed cost and variable. Again, I said that fixed cost has again two types, but here only average cost is written. But friends, it is average cost for the fixed. Okay, so if you want, you can write here average fixed cost, total fixed cost. It will be clear and easy to learn. So in your notebook, you have to write in this form. Fixed cost, then you draw the two parts. First part will be total fixed cost. Another side you can write average fixed cost. This fixed cost portion will over. Then next side you have to write variable cost. Variable cost also two types. Total variable cost, average variable cost. So these are not two, these are total four. These are how many? Four. Okay, in our textbook these are two only, but we have to write four. Because of it will be very clear to explain this all things related to this cost. So please friends, you have to write this next four, two for the fixed cost and two for the variable cost. Clear now? Now we have to show you and solve your doubts. Okay, and next one we have completed the fixed cost, so we will note this start the fixed cost. Fixed cost, that means the cost which is the fixed for the production. According to increase the volume of the production or quantity of the production, it is not increasing, it's known as fixed cost. Okay, it has no relationship between